If you wish to delete a subscriber from one of your mailing lists, first off, let's find the target subscribers. We can do so by clicking on the target list and navigate to the desired subscribers that you wish to delete. If, for example, you wish to delete Harold and Mercy, we can do so by tagging the rows here. Now we can see the actions menu has lit up. This is letting us know that there are available actions for these two selected rows. Click on the actions menu to open and now select delete contact. The software will also ask us if we wish to suppress the user. If we turn this on, they will also be added to your suppression list. So if you accidentally add them again in the future, they will automatically be removed. In this case, let's keep this option turned off. When you're happy to run the delete, click on Confirm Delete. Okay, we can see that those two subscribers have now been successfully removed from our mailing list.